Hey guys, it's Kay from OK Quilting, and I'm so glad that you stopped by to hear this big news. We are going to have some hands-on classes right here at my house, out in Kay's red party barn, and we are going to set up 6 machines, and we are going to have hands-on classes. So the first day, we're going to learn edge-to-edge essentials. That'll be in the afternoon. And we are actually going to be doing baby quilts. We're going to spend the time putting in, and we're going to make sure you know how to do an edge to edge. And then we'll donate those baby quilts to a local charity. That night, if you have friends who are always like, I don't get this whole long arm thing, Tuesday night is for them. We're going to do an intro to long arm where I explain about throat space and frame space and all the things that somebody who's buying a long arm would want to know. And maybe we'll get them excited about learning how to use long arms, or just that they can actually talk to you about it. So that will be a fun event with, treats, and it will be very social, and they're all going to get a chance to try some free motion. So that's going to be a really fun event. Then on Wednesday, all day long, 9 to 4, we are going to talk custom quilting on Pro Stitcher. I know a bunch of you want this. If you are okay with doing an edge-to-edge design, this class is for you, all right? If you're a beginner, this class is not for you, because we're going to be moving right along and really getting some extra attention to these people who have been working for a while. So we're going to be working on panels, and we will learn how to fill in spaces and how to make spaces and do channel quilting and all sorts of fun things. All right. So right now, those are the only classes I have planned. They are available on my website. So that's www.ohkaye OK Quilting. And that is in the shop. And you can sign up now. There are only 12 spots in those hands-on classes, 2 people on a machine. So if you really have something you're dying to learn and you want me to put together a class, or even if we want to do some free motion or something, I would love to do that. Most of you want Pro Stitcher all the time. Pro Stitcher. Let me know, because we do have the machine we have the machines, and we can do more classes, but it's such short notice. I don't want to have empty classes. So let me know, go sign up for the classes, and I hope I'll see you on that week, because we are going to have a blast here in Lehigh. All right. So all those classes will be held at my home. If you sign up, you'll get all the information about where to come. Of course, we'll feed you lunch on the full day class. Maybe we'll even eat by the pool. We'll see. All right. So sign up now. We only have signups open for a couple of weeks, because that last week I'll have to take it down. So don't wait. We're going to have a lot of fun and a lot of education. And I hope that I will see you there.